Are you looking for a updated, beautiful home in the heart of Mansfield, Texas? Welcome to 1001 Springfield Street. I'm Carly Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. Let's go take a look. It is a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a dedicated office space, 2 living spaces that are huge with vaulted ceilings and a fireplace that is 20 feet tall. Step out into the backyard, you're going to have a covered patio, extended deck, and a spacious extra shed that could be a 4th bedroom. You are located minutes from 287 and in Mansfield ISD top-rated schools.